Yes, UPI is clearly a story of rising with India, and we can definitely call it a payment backbone of India. And why so? How big it is? 18.68 billion UPI transactions were recorded in May, and total transaction value has crossed 25 lakh crore. I repeat, the transaction value has crossed 25 lakh crore in the month of May. And how many live partners are there? 673 banks are live on UPI network. This includes payment service providers, which are around 90 in number, and rest including all the banking network and the partners where UPI network is live. Over 10 crore merchants are accepting UPI, and daily average transaction is 602 million transactions per day. That is the data which has come in from NPCI. And who all are using it? EMI, bills, IPO, tolls, donations, e-commerce, offline retail, and if I go on and on, the list will be very longer. But where did it originate? It did originate in the year 2016, and I tell you, in the first transaction which happened live, it failed. But after that, it has been a success story and got boosted post demonetization in November 2016, where the Bheem app was actually launched in January 2017. And of course, the entry of Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, they changed the game, and thereon the transactions did pick up. Merchant QR code adoption surged after 2018, and interoperability and zero MDR is actually the formula for mass scale and trust, and why it has added to UPI's success story. Now what next for UPI? We have seen that it has been live and linked to Singapore, UAE, Bhutan, France, Mauritius and Cyprus too. And NRIs from 10 countries can use UPI on international numbers. And not only that, we have seen the launch of UPI Lite X, offline tap and pay feature via NFC. And more than that, the credit on UPI feature. How can you forget? Ever since that approval has come in from Reserve Bank of India, that has been used by the masses, and it has also got linked to ONDC, Aadhaar Stack, DigiLocker, and that is for next generation services which UPI can provide. But more importantly, NPCI International is a leading rollout of UPI, and we expect that this is going to go to different other countries, because many of the countries are doing a case study on UPI.